Hey coders, welcome back to DevByteSchool Day 15 session of Mastering in Angular. In previous session, we have implemented the home screen, then we have implemented the blog screen, and we have rendered the data dynamically. We have got the data from the API and then rendered it to the page. Okay. For more practice, you can add the comment section below the blog and see if that is working or not. I think that you should take as a task for you and implement the comment section. And if you are facing some issue into that, you can let me know in the comment section. Now moving ahead, we are going to create login and register pages and see how do we implement that dynamically. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So previously we have already created this page and we have static data auth works, okay. Instead of that, what we are going to do, we are going to make two parts of the page. In one part, there will be the login form and in another part, there will be the register form. So let's see how do we implement that. So inside the auth, there is the auth component. So let's make one section over here. Within a section, let's create one container. One container. Inside the container, we will have one row. Now we are going to separate our pages into two parts. Okay. So we are going to use a bootstrap and we will make one column for phi, another column for phi, and the middle one will be two column. Okay. Let's see how do we do that. Let's cast on MD5. Okay. And since we are making it mobile friendly, we are going to add one simple class called SM12. So whenever we are opening this website from mobile, the form will be taking 12 columns. So for now, let's make it mention as a left. Just copy paste this. Okay. Make it as the right. And in between, there will be two columns left. Give class form ND2 form is some well. Okay. Okay. Don't do anything over here, but just mention the columns. So 5, 2, and 5. So that will be totally 12 columns. Okay. Just write it as center as of now. Great. We have created three parts of the screen. One is for column D5, one is for column D2, and one is for column D5 again. Okay. So in the left side, we are going to keep the login form, and on the right side, we are going to keep register form. So let's see how do we do that. Just remove this. Okay. So just keep a habit of referring to the official website, and you will get to learn maximum classes from the bootstrap. So let's check out. So here it is the good code. Let's copy for this and paste it over in. Okay, so it's coming. But this does not look that much good. So what we will do, we will add one card over here. And inside the card, there will be the form. Okay, let's try that. So we are using card. Yeah, new class card. Inside the card, there will be new class and body. Okay. You can add header as well if you want. You can decorate your form as per your requirement. Let's see. Okay. Great. Now let's remove the unnecessary part for now. Which is also not required. Okay. Yeah. Now it's looking good. Now let's add one heading over here. Login. And keep it on the center. We use text center class. We need some margin from the top, so we use empty margin top 4. Let's take this submit button here in between. Let's keep it into div itself and make it text center. Okay. Now I guess it's moved on the right side. Yeah. So instead of submit, let's make it login. Okay. Keep on center itself. Yeah, looks good. Now let's make it for register as well. Since we are going to use a similar form, let's copy it from here. Actually, what I'm going to do, just copy this part, and instead of write, we will paste it over here. Okay, so it's coming. Now, instead of login, we will keep it as a register. Okay, so we will take email address. I guess we will take the mobile number and let's make it as a type number. Max size will be of 10, so that mobile number will be of 10 length. Let's remove this ID is not required right now. Okay. Enter mobile number. Now let's add one more thing. Email address, mobile number and password. And instead of login button, they make it register. Looks great. Now to make this part dynamic, we have already created APIs for this, and in the next session, I will show you how to call that API and how do we integrate the login and register part over our project. One more suggestion here, try to keep your screen as simple as possible and try to use maximum Bootstrap classes. Since Bootstrap is responsive, when you are trying to access that website from mobile view, you don't have to modify that much and effectively it reduces your efforts and time. Also, in case you are having some doubt or you are facing some issue, you stuck somewhere, make a habit of using ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is giving the optimal solution for you. As current industry want developers to know how to use ChatGPT and they need to get hands-on on it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. If you are having any doubt, let us know in the comment section. We will try to resolve it as soon as possible. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading new video, you will get the notification for that. Also join our Telegram group. We will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding!